Hi teachers, today I'm going to show you all the awesome stuff you can do with your teacher dashboard. We created this simple dashboard so that you can see what lessons are coming up and make quick edits, plus view all of your lesson feedback and observations in one place. To get here, click the Dashboard tab in your top navigation bar. If you've already created a few lessons, you should see them listed here. Your coaches and school leaders also have access to these plans and can review them from their own dashboards. If you don't see your lessons, try adjusting some of the filters. So you can click this drop down to adjust by date. And you can go to the left panel and click into your class folders to see the lesson plans from that class. Beyond just viewing your lesson plans, there are several other things you can do from your dashboard. You can adjust the dates of individual plans. You can view comments from your coach or principal. And if you click this edit button, you can go straight to the lesson canvas and edit this lesson plan. So the Trends tab is where all of your observations and meetings live. The info listed in this box shows an average of your observations or evaluations from the date range selected. So if you want to view ratings from the entire semester or the year, you can click the drop-down and adjust this date filter. Additionally, you can go in the left panel again and view data from an individual class. When you scroll to the bottom, you can view each individual observation from the selected date range and all of your meetings. The View Notes button allows you to go back and reference what was discussed and documented during that meeting. If you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to reach out to info@terrateachers.com.